Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Barry Analytics. In this tutorial, we'll be going through a step-by-step guide on how to use the dashboard of your Barry Analytics reporting app. The dashboard of Barry Analytics is simple yet incredibly effective when you need an overall view of your sales. As soon as you open the dashboard, you are greeted with the total revenue since the first sync, the revenue of this month, last month, and the total orders made this month. Right underneath it, you can see the percentages that they make up. On the dashboard, you can see a bar chart that shows you your revenue, where it comes from, and it calculates that per day. With these line graphs overlapping the bar chart, you can see the trends on when each marketplace is dropping sales. You are also able to filter out marketplaces if you don't want to see them on the graph. All you have to do is click the name and it'll switch it on and off. You are able to see the graph for this current running month and last month. As you go further down, you are shown a map and a report of the countries where you get most of the orders from. This shows you a statistic for this month, last month, and all time. Statistics for total orders made in the time frame you have chosen from this country, the percentage of the orders that it makes up, the total revenue that this country has brought in for you, and the percentage of total revenue that it makes up is all shown on the chart. On the map, the colors represent the influx of orders that you get. The darker the country, the more orders you get from there. Underneath that report, you are brought to another report and another graph. The report shows your 50 top selling SKUs. It informs you of the quantity you have sold and the turnover that it generates for you. Right next to it, the data is put into a graph, so it gives a better representation of what you are selling and by how much more than the next SKU. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below or give us an email, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your queries. I'll catch you in the next video.